Good morning, boys and girls, and if you're watching this video, it's about mathematics. So this week we talked about shapes and we did some sorting, and we did on the first video on Monday did a sorting or classification of by shape. Okay? We also did one on Wednesday that had to do with sorting, but it was more about the size of the shapes. But today we are going to work with the same shapes that we have in here, but we're going to classify them by color. Shall we? Is it color? Yeah, it's color. So I'm going to incline my camera so that you can see what I'm going to do. And I want to spill or bring all over my table these shapes that I have done and brought for you to learn. And this is what I call improvising because, we're learning as we go. And so this is something that I wanted to do for a long time and I couldn't do it because I was so busy, but now that I'm not, we can start doing it. So we only have three colors, and those are the three colors that we're going to sort our shapes. We're going to sort them by yellow, red, and blue, right? Those are the basic three colors, the primary colors that you should know. Red, yellow, and blue. So I'm going to start by taking out the yellow ones first because I need to put a group of yellow on this side that will help me do what I'm planning to do with these shapes. Okay? So it could be any size, but it has to be what? Yellow. Okay? It has to be yellow. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm sorting the yellow ones first. Why are you sorting the yellow ones first, Mr. Rodriguez? Because that is the closest color that I had here. All right? Now that I did that, now I can sort over here another color. So I'm going to use red. So red will go right here. And as you see, it'll start forming a section that I wanted to do for shapes that are the same color. Okay, this is really important that you start learning how to sort. Sorting in school is very important and in your life as well. Because sorting in your life, you can start making sorts of things, sorting in your own house. You're going to say, how do you do that, Mr. Rodriguez? Well, let's say, for example, your mom is doing the laundry and she finishes and folds the clothes and she tells you, I need you to sort them by color. You can actually sort your clothes by the color that they have. That's one way that you can sort. You can also sort the food. Let's say they want you to put all the cans together. And they want you to put all the boxes together. You can do that as well at home. Now let's sort the blue ones. And as you see, the blue ones are pretty much what I have here. And it gives me an opportunity to really bring out all of the shapes that are left. Okay? And so I'm working to make sure that when I sort, I can put the colors exactly where they should belong. Okay? And so sorting is not just in math, boys and girls. Sorting has to do with your life. You have to sort the bills. When you grow up and you start paying taxes and paying rent, you're going to have some bills. You have to sort your money to see where you're going to, what you're going to pay and what you're going to keep so that you can buy things or do other things that you want to do, like save money. So, sorting in this case by color, and as we did before, in shapes as well as by size, are important for you because it's about a life skill. It's not just math, it's much more than that. So, your lesson for today is very short and sweet, but it's all about sorting. Sort your shirts, your shoes and boots and sneakers. Sort the cereals. Sort all the beans that mommy might have, dry beans, or the cans. Sort them and see how much you can get out of this learning that you have with sorting. Because smart is not something you are. Smart is something you get.